So Gracie, on this 96 379, we're gonna kind of give it a major facelift. We're gonna tear it all down. We're just gonna get a new bumper, new headlights, new roof lights, different. We're getting rid of the horns on the roof. We're gonna put a train horn underneath. New fenders. We're putting on this fender's a little bent up here and cracked. So we're putting some fiberglass fenders with a little bit of a drop on them, so it just looks a little bit cooler. This fuel tank's getting moved. It's getting different step boxes. It's getting 2 fuel tanks opposed to 1. They're going to be moved back a little farther. You can see it's already, the frame's kind of been cleaned up and brackets and unnecessary stuff taken off. From there, it's going to get new quarter or half fenders, just a whole bunch of new exhaust, bunch of new chrome shiny stuff. And then the frame's getting all repainted. The frame will be all black. The cab is going to be blue, like a light blue, with some different color blue fenders and all new stripes. This truck's being built for Irishman's transport, so it's going to follow his color scheme, and should be something cool.
Okay, Tyler, give me an update on this.
Well, today we got the back hitch off so we can get all that sandblasted and get it all painted the right way so it doesn't rust like this for the future for the guy. And we got all the lights off in the back, all the stainless steel off in the back so it can get ready for blasting. And now we're just trying to get the hood off so we can replace the fenders on there. And this morning we got the carpet out on the inside and getting that all ready for brand new interior and everything, so it's moving along slowly for a Monday.
Oh yeah, yeah, I get that.
Okay, so on this Peterbilt, we're cutting this 5th wheel plate down. The customer didn't like it so long, didn't need it so long, so we're shortening it up a little bit, cleaning up the frame a little bit more. The guys got the frame pretty much stripped down. We gotta still mount the fuel tanks, get all the holes and everything set up for that so we can get them situated. You can see the cab is all in primer, so any corrosion, body work, any of that type of stuff is all kind of taken care of on there. We got the hoods kind of in the same point. So next step is we're gonna be getting the fuel tanks and stuff fit up so that we can we don't gotta worry about drilling holes and stuff after it's painted. Then once that's all done, the truck will be going outside, getting the frame blasted, and start moving on to paint. Since last time we talked, the boys got this thing all sandblasted. We got all the holes drilled and everything situated for where the new fuel tanks are going as we're moving them. It had just a single fuel tank, now we're putting dual tanks on it back farther. So those holes are all in, set up. We're just cleaning up a couple little spots, and then as we're going in a paint booth, getting primed, and we're gonna put the fifth wheel plate back on after we prime it, and then it'll all get painted. The frame is all gonna be black. And then from there, we'll start painting the cab. The cab's all in primer. So that's ready for paint. Pretty much got sanded, obviously, but it's pretty much ready for paint. The hood's painted, front fenders are painted, so we're gonna start moving along pretty quick here. So today we're working on some assembly stuff. We got the truck painted, as you can see. So we got an all new fender bracket or mud flap hangers, light bar on the back, lights. We're working on wiring that all up right now. We got fuel tanks are on, step boxes are on. The guys are putting the hood on right now. So next step is going to be continue assembling, obviously get the quarter fender or half fenders on, and then we're going to start working on laying out some stripes, and then from there bolt chrome stuff and lights on and get her out the door. Yeah. So the last night and this morning, we got all the stripes laid out, so different colors, got her all cleared up. So next steps, get it all unmasked, and put her back together. Okay, so on this thing, Gracie, we're just, it's all buttoned up on our side. Truck's going back to the customer shop, and he's got a couple things that they're gonna do yet, more so because we're waiting on parts and things like that. But we got all new mud flap hangers, new stainless, UP and Grand General light stuff in the back. We put on new half fenders and up here, all new brackets. Frames all been blasted and painted. We put on different fuel tanks, repurposed from a different truck, bigger tanks, moved them all back. All new exhaust, all Lincoln chrome exhaust, different light panel in the back. Added 10 lights to the back of the cab. Different boxes, all PhD boxes. We got a train horn stuck up in there. Different light panels. We got a nice RLK visor. That's a new style visor that Chase just put out on his website not that long ago. Different roof lights, pretty much all new lights everywhere. New headlights, Valley Chrome bumper, fender brackets. And then we painted it all up using all Valspar, Valspar and Matrix paints. So it's Matrix clears, Valspar base coats. Use the customer's custom colors for his fleet. We got badass fenders on it from badass truck parts. So it's got a 4-inch drop on the side. Just make it a little more clean and a little more cool looking.
Looks fresh.
So yeah, it's like I said, it's going back to the customer. He's gonna finish up all interior. He's got new seats, all new black, because the truck was all red if you remember. So it had all red interior as well. So he's gonna put in all new black interior. It's getting a custom painted floor from Rockwood Products. So it's got a little ways to go yet, but we're pretty much done with it here.
Full makeover it's getting, huh?
Yeah, yeah, it's a big job.